What do you do when a native English speaker uses a crazy expression and you can't understand? You have to study the expression in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. Open up a can of worms. Anna and Brian are brainstorming ideas for their AI project. They're discussing the challenges they might face during development. So, we could use the AI to analyze social media trends and predict future outcomes. Yeah, that's an interesting idea. But diving into social media data might have some serious implications for privacy issues. That's true. It's important to be cautious when dealing with sensitive information like that. Definitely. We don't want our project to create more problems than it solves. AI is so complicated. We really have a moral and ethical dilemma here. That's why we have to consider all the potential consequences before proceeding, or we might just open up a can of worms. Quiz time! What does open up a can of worms mean? Create a software program? Release a computer bug? Release worms? Create a difficult situation. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. Create a difficult situation. Teaching moment. A can is a common object, like a can of soda or a can of beans. If you open a can, you often find food. If the food is bad, sometimes you find insects. This creates a very difficult situation that no one wants to experience. We can use this expression in a lot of different contexts. Examples: asking about the company's finances during the meeting opened up a can of worms and led to a heated debate. Trying to fix the small leak in the roof ended up opening a can of worms when we discovered a major structural issue. Bringing up the issue of overtime pay with the boss really opened up a can of worms. Many employees had concerns about their working hours. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To dive into. To start an activity with energy. Implications of something. Possible consequences or effects. A heated debate. An intense debate. To bring something up. To mention something. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.